Alright, so I just wanted to go over one of our really common rust repairs. It's on a Toyota Tacoma, and it's where the seams meet, we get swelling. So I wanted to show you guys what swelling looks like and what we do to combat that. Oh yeah. And we got this area up here with big swelling. You see how the metal starts growing and separating? You get rust in between there, and it basically expands the two seams. And then we go in there with an air chisel, we clean it all out, and we weld them together. Some more common areas for us. The cab mounts rust out a lot. We got the bottom. And once we get these things up in the air, we kind of beat the piss out of them to find the rest of the rust. That's something we can't do during the estimate. Oh, and we got the body mount as well. Another very common. A lot of times we just replace these. Most of these parts on the Toyotas are replaceable. The cross members are. That one is. The rebar in the back. So we actually stock a lot of these items. But here's an example of what it looks like once Tony's gotten his work done. He's cleaned out the seams. He's welded it all up. And now we got rust converter on here, which is our first step. And once that's done, then we put the undercoating on. So the undercoating is the protective layer. This is what actually keeps it from rusting again. So this is kind of what the finished product looks like after Tony's worked his magic. And see, in this case we just rebuilt the cab mount, but sometimes we actually replace them too. So there you go. Very common repair on a Toyota. We got a little before and a little after going here.